When we learn about holistic health, we find out the ultimate guide to our mind, body, and spirit. So people might wonder, is this thing easy to stick with in my day-to-day life? Will this guide really make me feel better overall? Can I, maybe a newbie, implement the ideas in this guide easily? These questions show folks worry about how good it is, whether it'll work, where to find it, and who's gonna make it easy for them. Alright, let's dive into the main ideas in this video. First up, the core principles of holistic health. Next, let's talk about finding the right balance in life, mind, body, and soul. Then, we'll cover the perks of being in a healthy, holistic place. Next, we'll look at some handy practices or treatments for holistic wellness. And finally, we'll think about how to incorporate holistic health into our day-to-day lives. Additionally, we'll examine mental health's role in holistic well-being and see if any studies back up the effectiveness of these approaches. Plus, we'll let you know how you can kickstart your journey towards holistic health today. In this video, we'll look at the core ideas of holistic health, showing you how to create a balanced harmony between your mind, body, and soul. By getting involved in a holistic trip, you'll discover a bunch of perks, learn about particular suggested treatments and practices, and figure out handy methods to merge holistic health into your everyday life. We'll also examine the significance of mental health in holistic happiness and examine scientific studies that back the effectiveness of holistic health practices. So, what are some key ideas behind holistic health? Basically, holistic health is all about getting into the whole idea of being healthy, which includes thinking about how our bodies, our feelings, our minds, our social lives, and our souls are all connected. Some of the big principles include not just looking after our bodies physically, but also caring about how we feel emotionally, mentally, and socially, and recognizing that everything is interconnected. Find balance in your life by focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. You can do this by practicing mindfulness meditation to clear your mind, going for regular exercise for good health, and building a connection to something bigger for inner peace. Take care of yourself, set boundaries, keep your relationships in check, and work towards personal growth. Looking after your mental, emotional, and physical well-being is super important. Don't forget that finding balance is all about paying attention and tweaking things as needed to make your mind, body, and spirit really click. Embracing a holistic approach to health focuses on treating the whole person, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, rather than just addressing symptoms. This approach emphasizes preventive care, lifestyle changes, and the interconnectedness of different aspects of health. Benefits include improved overall well-being, better stress management, increased resilience, enhanced mental clarity, and a stronger immune system. By considering all aspects of health, individuals can attain a more balanced and sustainable approach to wellness. You can totally incorporate holistic wellness into your everyday life if you like. Just be sure to focus on keeping your physical, mental, and emotional health in check. This might mean adding in some like mindful eating, exercises, meditation, or deep breathing time, keeping up with your social bonds, getting the jive on sufficient sleep, and hanging out with nature time. So, here's a list of 8 things you can do to make the most of your health this year. First, pay attention to how, when, and where you eat. Choose wholesome foods and savor each bite. Don't let your phone distract you while enjoying your meal, and pay attention to your body's signals like hunger and fullness. Next, dive into your favorite physical activity like going for walks, doing yoga, riding a bike, or dancing. Not only does it help you feel your best, but it can also improve your mental health by helping you release endorphins. Third, dedicate a few minutes a day to mindfulness meditation or deep breathing exercises. This can lower stress and improve focus while also making you feel calmer and happier. Moving on to keep in touch with the people who matter most to you, friends, family, and even your community. Make time for regular get-togethers, phone calls, or online hookups to keep those relationships strong. Then, aim for 7 to 8 hours of good restful sleep each night. Start by sticking to a bedtime routine, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a peaceful sleep environment. Spending time outdoors in nature can have a huge impact on your overall health. You can enjoy hiking, gardening, or just taking a walk in the park to unwind and feel happier. Make sure to take care of yourself every day by doing things like taking a warm bath, catching up on a book, or doing something you enjoy. Anything that helps you relax and recharge. Lastly, look into holistic treatments like acupuncture, massage, aromatherapy, or herbal remedies to support your overall health and well-being. These practices can help make you feel better in both your body and your mind. So you want to talk about holistic health, right? All about taking care of the whole you, right? Not just your body, but also your mind and spirit, right? Well, if you do that in your day-to-day life, you can make sure that your whole well-being is taken care of, and that you live a more balanced and peaceful life. And mental health is super important because it's all about having emotional, psychological, and social well-being. You know, it affects how we think, feel, and act, and it's a big part of how we interact with other people, how we do our work, and all that stuff. If you don't give mental health the attention that it needs, it can start showing up in other parts of your life in a lot of different ways and make things harder for you. And seriously, taking care of your mental well-being is key to making this whole journey of leading a happier, healthier life and feeling more connected with what you do each and every day. The thing is asked all the time. Are there any scientific studies that say that holistic health approaches are really effective? This is great. I'm happy to help you with that. There are many scientific studies that show the effectiveness of a holistic approach to health. And that's all you need to know if you want to make more informed decisions about your health and well-being. A ton of scientific research has shown that taking care of you on a whole health level can have a huge impact on your well-being. For instance, research has shown that mindfulness meditation might help you chill out your stress, lessen signs of anxiety and depression, boost your brain function, and boost general life quality. Also, there's evidence that certain practices like acupuncture can help manage pain, decrease inflammation, and actually improve a few different health issues. Although more solid research is necessary to fully endorse these results, already there's enough evidence to show that considering holistic approaches on your wellness game can be pretty awesome. Another thing you might want to try is including holistic practices like yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises in your daily routine for a well-rounded mind, body, and spirit experience. Just stay well hydrated, minimize toxins in your system, and think about using natural fixes and supplements to give your health the boost it needs. Look into non-traditional treatments like acupuncture, chiropractic care, or even massage. Set aside time for self-care and just enjoy the activities you love. Keep in mind that a holistic approach is all about being mindful and caring for all facets of yourself to really achieve balance and bounce back energized. Let us commit to prioritizing our holistic health by making conscious and sustainable choices that support our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Embrace mindfulness practices, nourish your body with whole foods, engage in regular physical activity, seek moments of stillness for reflection and rejuvenation, and cultivate meaningful connections with yourself and others. Together, let us embark on this transformative journey towards living a vibrant and purposeful life in alignment with our truest selves. The time to prioritize your holistic health is now. Start your journey today and flourish in mind, body, and spirit.